So hi guys, ayan po yung ating S7 unit. Ayan po yung mga available colors natin guys. Ayan, sobrang dami po nating stocks po kay S7. So guys, ito explain natin guys yung ating pong mga specifications. Steering wheel na tayo guys. So ito guys left steering wheel. Ayan po yung ating digital panel, mini fan, safety handles with roof rack. Ayan, and also meron tayong crown light and yung ating pong automatic wiper. Naka LED light po and yung ating bumper. And sa gulong natin guys, ayan po 100, ayan over 90 by 10 yung ating pong gulong. And guys take note po, naka tubeless tire with compartment tayo. Ayan po meron tayong extra spare tire. And eto po siya sa front. Ayan, sobrang ganda S7 guys. Ayan po.